In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix it when you're getting the message security policy is preventing the installation of an app. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to fix this problem, it's relatively straightforward and simple. You want to swipe up, and then you want to go into your settings, and you can use the search bar to make this a lot easier. And you just want to type in install unknown apps. You can see there, install unknown apps. You want to toggle that on, and there you'll be able to see there it says install unknown apps. If you tap onto that, you want to make sure that you give permission to the app that you have installed. And if you get that error message on installation, it's going to open up a permission, and then for an example you have to toggle it on, and then it will allow that app to be installed on your device, but you go through that process on the install. So just toggle on the ones that you want to install unknown apps, and then you'll be able to install those apps. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.